Hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Magnum Education Buzz. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, today we will learn about 50 common synonyms for beginners. One, big, large. 2, small, tiny. 3, fast, quick. 4, slow, lazy. 5, happy, glad. 6, sad, unhappy. 7, good, nice. 8, bad, evil. 9, beautiful, pretty. 10, ugly, unpleasant. 11, strong, powerful. 12, weak, feeble. 13, easy, simple. 14, hard, difficult. 15, hot, warm. 16, cold, chilly. 17, rich, wealthy. 18, poor, needy. 19, friend, buddy. 20, enemy, foe. 21, smart, intelligent. 22, stupid, foolish. 23, brave, courageous. 24, scared, afraid. 25, begin, start. 26, end, finish. 27, buy, purchase. 28, sell, trade. 29, give, offer. 30, take, grab. 31, clean, neat. 32, dirty, messy. 33, old, ancient. 34, young, youthful. 35, child, kid. 36, man, gentleman. 37, woman, lady. 38, boy, lad. 39, girl, maiden. 40, teacher, instructor. 41, student, learner. 42, job, work. 43, home, house. 44, road, street. 45, city, town. 46, country, nation. 47, quickly, rapidly. 48, slowly, gradually. 49, angry, mad. 50.
Please like the video and subscribe for more. Please like the video and subscribe for more.